Hi, this is Natalie from BioBuilder. Wishing you and yours a wonderful holiday season and happy, healthy 2023. Also, just to express my sincere thanks for all the help and all the wonderful work that we've been able to do together in 2022. It's been an incredible year for our organization. We have a new board of directors. We have restarted full throttle in-person learning, including our wonderful apprenticeship program here in Boston. We've had the opportunity to speak about BioBuilder nationally, including a great symposium in Tennessee, time in Washington, time in California, and we could not do it without our whole community. So thank you all. Thank you all for helping us do more. We have grown, we have more opportunity, more impact. We're doing it at a lower price point in many ways, and have lots to look forward to in 2023. So I'll leave you with a few photos from this past year and my sincere wishes for a wonderful holiday, and looking forward to all the good work we'll do together in the next year.